Hi, I'm Mike, and this beauty is the Workshop stainless steel 16-gallon wet-dry vac. You're a handsome devil, aren't you? Oh, wait, that's me. Not only does this vacuum sport a professional appearance, but it has the power and capacity to take on the toughest jobs. 266 max air watts and a 6.5 peak horsepower motor can pick up a gallon of water a second. Really? Really. The 7-foot hose has dual flex technology, resists collapsing, and adds 180-degree flexibility at both hose ends. Oh, did I forget to mention? The hose has a 2.5-inch diameter, which makes it 350% larger than some competitors, like this fella. Aw, that's embarrassing. But not only does it easily lock into place when vacuuming, but attach it to the blowing port, and it transitions from a vacuum into a blower. The extended handle with the bag helps keep accessories within reach, but it also works with the large rear wheels to maneuver over thresholds and stairs easier. And let's face it, we all love it when the job's easier. The large carry handle doubles as a cord wrap for the 20-foot power cord. You'll never have to search for the power switch. It's right up front. The lid quickly detaches from the drum. To change the Qwik Lock filter that easily snaps on and off without tools. And included is a fine dust filter that traps debris like drywall dust or baby powder or cookie crumbs to hide the evidence. And just like with every workshop product, the motor is among the longest lasting in the industry. That's why we confidently back our products up with the Workshop 5-year limited warranty and best customer service in business. Suck it up, get it done. Workshop.